Hi, I'm here today to talk to you about this Sweat Night mattress. I'm at my son's house and he set this up for me as a guest bed, and it is so comfortable. This is a charcoal bamboo field mattress, and the best thing about it is it's very balanced. I don't feel like I'm swaying. It's pretty sturdy, firm. It's pretty firm. This is a queen size, and queen size sheets fit very nicely right on here. This is at least 10 inches deep, and it is a very comfortable. Also at night, I don't get hot because of the mattress. It is very cooling. This is a great mattress for its value, and I just think it's a great product. And that is just my honest opinion.